The goal of this project was to automatically identify and measure the thickness of a layer. This could be useful in both glass and coating analysis. When performing layer thickness analysis on scanning electron microscope images, variation in contrast, charging, scratchings, or impurities can pose challenges for accurate automated solution. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would measure the thickness of what they believed to be the layer. This manual process was prone to error and was extremely time-consuming. As we apply the recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect the layer and output the thickness measurement. Once the layer has been identified, it's relatively straightforward to then produce a summary report. All these capabilities, detection, layer thickness measurements, and report generation are also available when processing batches of images.